Manas's man's Reyes Carpio is a Filipino lawyer who is the husband of Vice President Sara Duterte. He is only the second male spouse of a Philippine vice president after Jose Miguel Arroyo from 1998 to 2001. He graduated from De La Salle University, where he took his undergraduate degree in political science. Born in a family of lawyers, he also followed in the footsteps of his lineage, obtaining his Bachelor of Laws at the San Sebastian College, Recoltos. He also studied at San Beda University, where he met his wife, Sara Duterte. While his wife was busy serving Davao City, where she was first elected as vice mayor in 2007, Carpio engaged himself with private practice, establishing and managing his own law firm, which he named the Carpio and Duterte Lawyers, together with his wife Sara. Carpio later spent time with their law firm after Sara decided not to run for public office in 2013. Their law firm specializes in business, commercial, and labor litigation, and serves both civil and criminal cases. Among their client was Mighty Corporation, one of the largest cigarette manufacturers in the Philippines. Smuggling allegations. In August 2017, Carpio was implicated by Senator Antonio Trillens in the alleged smuggling at the Bureau of Customs. Trillens raised some questions when Carpio visited the office of the Bureau of Customs numerous times and allegedly met with Customs Commissioner Nicanor Felden. His father-in-law, President Rodrigo Duterte, defended him by saying that it is his job to visit and defend his clients as a lawyer would normally do. Carpio dismissed the allegations of Trillens, calling the latter as a desperate rumor monger. On July 31, 2024, Trillens filed a drug and corruption complaint to the Department of Justice against Carpio, his brother-in-law, and Davao City 1st District Representative Paul Law Duterte, and 8 others. Mans and Sara have 4 children, an adopted daughter, Michaela Maria, nicknamed Sharky, to biological sons, Mateo Lucas, nicknamed Stingray, Marco Dagong, nicknamed Stonefish, and 1 other child known for having nicknames after aquatic animals. Both he and his sons are distancing themselves in the eyes of the public, even though his wife is a prominent politician. Most notably, they were not present during the proclamation of his wife as the duly elected Vice President of the Philippines at the House of Representatives. They attended the inauguration of his wife on June 19, 2022, at Davao City. However, he actively campaigned and participated in some of the campaign sorties of his wife, where he became a proxy and gave speeches to his wife's supporters. Man's paternal aunt is the former Ombudsman Conchita Carpio Morales, and a cousin of his father is the former Supreme Court Senior Associate Justice Antonio Carpio, who is also widely known as a critic of his father-in-law's administration. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.